This recipe does make quite a few pancakes. Welcome to Lorna's Cooking. I'm Lorna. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. After making so many different types of pancakes through the years, I'm really glad that I found this one. It's a thinner pancake, and it's somewhere between a puffy pancake and a crepe, and it's really good. The ingredients for this recipe, well, it seems like a lot of ingredients, and it is, but I'll be blending everything in a blender. If you don't have a blender, you can use a whisk in a big bowl, and it's going to go very fast. So the ingredients include buttermilk, eggs, butter melted, vanilla, flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and whole milk. I'm going to use my blender to mix this complete recipe. I'm going to turn off the sound because the blender is very loud. I will put the instructions for this recipe in the descriptions of this video. I turned off the blender so I can mix everything down into the batter. The batter should be smooth once you finish blending it. A few times while the batter was blending, I stopped the blender and I scraped down the sides just to make sure everything was mixing in, anything that was stuck to the sides of the blender. Now that my batter is ready, I'm going to put a little bit of oil. It only takes a few moments for the oil to heat up, and I'm going to use a ladle. Now, sometimes I pour it directly from the blender into the skillet, but I want to make sure that they're all the same size. Once I see bubbles like here and here, then I know it's time to flip the pancakes. I'm going to cook them a few minutes on this side, and then I'm going to put them on an oven-safe plate, stick them in the oven so I can cook the rest of the pancakes. Okay, now it's time to take them out. And I'll show you what it looks like on the other side, just real quick. But that's what the other side looks like. Okay, I'm gonna put those in the oven and then cook the rest of the pancakes. If you want to get fancy, like I love to do, just get some strawberries, rinse them, cut them up, just put a few over your pancakes. And if you watched the video that I made, how to make strawberry syrup, you just take some of that syrup. Ooh, this is gonna be delicious. If you want to get extra fancy, throw some whipped cream on the top. Now that's some fresh whipped cream that I sweetened. Real easy to do. You can do it by hand or you can do it with your mixer. So here we have it. Pancakes made extra fancy. But I'm just like the infomercials. There's more! How about some fried chicken wings? Now that right there, that is going to be great. I hope you try it. I hope you enjoy it. Take care.